subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
Hello everyone and welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10. Now this in itself sounds like it should be a fairly straightforward task, but what many Windows 10 users are finding is that the option to uninstall the conventional regular way isn't available to them. So in this tutorial I plan to show you how to uninstall it, the easy way, and also the more complex way. Now I've always found that with Microsoft Edge, it's kind of like the Marmite of internet browsers. Some people really love it and others really hate it. And whilst I would say after having used Edge for quite a few years, the hate for the browser is somewhat unwarranted, many people prefer to use alternative browsers such as Chrome, Firefox or Safari. And that's completely fine. And I guess the train of thought is if you aren't using it, then why have it on your PC? Now, Microsoft are somewhat insistent that by the end of 2020, everybody using a Windows 10 PC will have their new Chromium-based Edge browser. And this is the new version of Edge that replaces the older Edge versions. And as I mentioned, many people who have tried to uninstall Edge the simple way are finding that the option to uninstall is not available to them. So whilst this is the case, it's not across the board, and your ability to uninstall depends on how you obtained the browser in the first place. So if you manually installed Microsoft Edge like I did, then you can uninstall it through apps and features. However, if you receive the Microsoft Edge browser through a Windows update, then your life is a little bit more complicated. But the good news is, if you really do insist on uninstalling it, you can do it. And I'm going to show you how in this video. Now, before we get into it, I just want to add a warning. Just because you can uninstall something doesn't mean that you should. And Microsoft actually advises against uninstalling Edge as it's so heavily integrated to the inner workings of the operating system. So uninstalling it could inadvertently destabilize your system. So really what I would say to you, it is worth thinking and balancing your annoyance with having it on your system against the potential of causing major carnage to the inside of your system. So my personal opinion is just to leave it, remove it from your eyeline, download a browser you do like and use that. But if you really do want to uninstall it, then let me show you how. Okay, let's start out with the simple method. Now, for me, I did actually manually download Microsoft Edge, which means that I can actually uninstall it through apps and features. So we want to jump down to our search bar. I'm just going to go into settings. And from here, I'm going to jump into apps and then into apps and features. And all I need to do is look for Microsoft Edge in this list. So what I can do here is just search for it, and we can see that there it is. If I click on it, you'll see that my uninstall button is available. So for people that manually downloaded, you should just be able to uninstall it this way, the simple way. Now, I don't want to uninstall mine, so I'm going to leave that, but it is a fairly straightforward process, the same way you would uninstall any other app. So that's the first method. Now, if you've jumped into here and this button is grayed out, then unfortunately you're going to have to use the more complex method for uninstalling Microsoft Edge. So let's take a look at that next. Now, to do this, you're going to need to go to your command prompt. So again, in the search bar, I'm going to type in command, and then I need to open up the command prompt app, but I need to run it as administrator. So if I right click and select Run as Administrator, and now I'm logged in as admin into the command prompt app. So now you need to change directories and jump to the installer folder. So CD for change directories, and this is the directory that you need to go to. And once you've switched to that directory, you can then run the uninstall command. And this is the command that you need to use. Now, I'm not going to hit enter because I don't want to uninstall Edge, but this should remove the Microsoft Edge browser from your Windows 10 PC if you've received it via a Windows update. As I said, make sure it is something that you really want to do prior to doing this, but if you can't bear to have it on your PC, then this is one way around it. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To get 4 free courses in Excel, QuickBooks, Microsoft Project, and Photoshop, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.